Smoke rises high over Dadi-yurt, the ashes falling like black snow. They bind our hands, they drag us forth where the freezing waters flow. The general smiles, he counts the prize, 46 flowers for his crown. But he does not see the wolf in our eyes. We will never bow down. The bridge is narrow, the drop is deep, the river roars a hungry song. Promises made that we must keep to the land where we belong. Oh, Teddick River, take us home. Better the grave than a golden cage. 46 daughters, flesh and bone, turning the history page. One look,
no words,
one step,
twas the edge.
together